What's up, people? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me. So today I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about Twitch. So Twitch is the world's biggest live streaming platform. It's a place where people from all around the world can live stream anything. Now, it started out as a big gaming platform, and it still is. It's mostly people streaming games, right? Any professional gamer on any platform, on any game, streams on Twitch, and you can watch them do what they do best live. And it's super cool, but it's more than that now, and it's growing into a huge community for people that like to watch anything. Over the last several years, our internet has gotten so good that this live stream thing has become possible. Now we have wide enough bandwidth where you can legit broadcast to anywhere in the world, and you can also watch these live streams on any mobile device or your home computer. And that's super, super cool. And it's basically opening up this Pandora box of possibilities. It's crazy the stuff that's coming out now. Now, Twitch is a lot different from Facebook and other platforms where you can live stream because it's meant just for live streamers. There's so many cool little benefits of watching your favorite live streams on Twitch. And we're gonna get into all that, but first I wanna show you guys how to make a profile and how to set your settings and stuff. So come inside. All right, people, so now it's time to make your Twitch account. So the first thing you need to do is go to twitch.tv, sign up on there, follow directions. It's super easy. Pause the video if you have to, okay? Go do that real quick. And then once you're ready, come on back and I'll show you how to set up your profile. By the way, signing up for Twitch and setting up your account is way easier on like a desktop or a laptop, like an actual computer, than your phone. So definitely do it on a computer first, and then you'll have it all set up for your phone. Now you're all signed up, let's set this profile up. So here we are, people, twitch.tv. This is the main feed, I guess you can call it, right? You got yourself an account, you should be signed in. You should be able to see like a circle here that you're signed in. Maybe you don't have a profile picture yet, but like you could tell that you're signed into your account, right? It's not asking you to sign in. So the first thing we're gonna do is set up our profile. So what I want you to do is click on your face here and go right down here to settings. When you get to settings, this is gonna be the first part of the profile you wanna set up. So you wanna put your profile in there, just upload your mug. Usually a square picture works, but whatever works best for you or whatever you have, throw that in there and you're gonna have a profile picture. This is your profile banner. They recommend this to be 1200 by 480 pixels. Now keep in mind, if you're not like a graphic designer, you don't know how to do this stuff, you're not into like Photoshop or anything like that, there is an easier way to kind of make banners and a lot of things that we're about to talk about with your profile. All you do is go to google.com and Google Twitch Banner Maker and a bunch of things will pop up. There's lots of resources online that'll help you make your Twitch banner, and you can actually use something right online like a website, and you can make your banner right there, download it and put it right on your Twitch, and it's super, super easy. Move right along, you have your username, display name, and bio. Display name, it's not super customizable. You can't put spaces or anything, but you can customize the capitalization. So I just capitalized Nick and then capitalized Spinelli so you can see the difference. Your username, you can change every 3 months. So definitely one thing when you make your username, pick something that you like, that you want to keep forever, or, at least for a long time, because you're not going to be able to change that for 3 months. So my username's @NickSpinelli. And then your bio, you can put anything in here. Just describe what your page is about. Hey, I'm just here to watch other people's shit, or hey, I'm going to make my own stuff, or whatever. I just put a dumb little line and that's it, and then you're set. So that's this part. Now the next thing I want you to click on is channels and videos. That's going to bring you here. It's going to give you your streaming key. That's something you can use with software and stuff you end up streaming. But this kind of brings up all your settings for your channel in general, right? You can store your past broadcasts, enable clips, which basically a clip is when yourself or someone else takes a clip of a live stream that you're broadcasting or that someone else is broadcasting. So let's say you're watching a live stream and something really cool happens. You can hit the clip button and it makes a clip of it. It's a 30-second little clip of that live stream and it highlights that little part that you really liked. Maybe it was a favorite song a DJ played, or maybe it was a crazy kill cam from like a Call of Duty game or something. You know what I mean? So you can clip anything and anybody can clip anything from you that you're live streaming. So it's a cool thing. I'm filling you in on the lingos, okay? Filling you in. Latency mode for your streaming and stuff. Over here, you're gonna find your accent colors for your profile, so you can customize all that. Your video player banner here, this is gonna show while you're offline. So this is basically what's gonna come up when you're offline. I just have a dumb picture of myself. Some people actually Photoshop different things and shows their streaming schedule, so you can have your streaming schedule on here. Channel trailer is a cool thing that they just came up with in Twitch. They just came out with it, and it's basically a trailer for your channel, right? So just like a movie trailer, same thing. You can record a little video and let the people know what your channel's all about. One thing you do want to fill out is social links here. This is where you can put in all your social links to everywhere so people can follow you on other platforms. You can put in your stream schedule here, which is pretty cool. You got a streamer shelf where you can auto host different streamers that are on your host list. And this is your auto hosting section. So in this page, this is where you can auto host different channels while you're offline. So if you have some favorite channels that you really like, or you're trying to help out your friends and get them more exposure, you can make a whole list of different channels that you want to host while you're offline. And these channels will automatically get hosted on your channel while you're offline without you having to do a thing, which is a cool way to kind of support other channels. Now down here you can select on whether or not you want to allow raids, which is a super big part of Twitch. Now if you're not aware, a raid is a super cool thing where when one live streamer is going offline, they have the option to raid another channel and basically take everybody that's watching their channel at that moment and send them to another person that's also live to watch after they're gone. So right before you log off Twitch and you're not live streaming anymore, you can take all the people that are watching your channel and raid another channel with those people, and then as soon as you log off, all those people will then be directed to the next live stream. And it's a great way to help out other live streamers, you know what I mean? Expose them to new people, have new people get exposed to their live streams and see them and see what they're up to. You know, it's like building a community type of thing. And it's something that you really should do anytime you go live. You should always raid another channel. Now, the quickest and easiest way to raid another channel or to host another channel would be to do the command prompt in any chat box. So you go to the chat and then you do /raid or host and then space and then whatever channel you want to host or raid. And then it does the rest of the work for you. It's that easy. So now this section's pretty much set. You want to click on your face again and this time go to your channel. Now you bring up your channel, you're going to see the picture that we had earlier, right? That's what's going to show to everybody while you're offline, because I'm offline, so whatever you pick, that's what's going to go here. And if you scroll down, you'll see something called panels, right? And you'll have a thing right here called edit panels. If you click here, you can edit your panels and add any images or text or anything you want. Now the panels are super important because that's where you can basically put different links to wherever you want people to go. Like if you live stream yourself, you know, I have a link here where you can subscribe to me through Amazon Prime if you have Amazon Prime. I have a link here if you want to donate to me. And then I also have like my YouTube link so you can see my videos, and my Instagram so you can follow me over there. Now to add a panel, you essentially just click here and then you click add text. And then basically this is where you can put it where it links to. You can add an image for whatever you want it to say, and you can also give it a title or description. I don't like it with the title or description. I'd rather just have like just the little graphic here and that's it, so I don't fill out these other parts. Now your profile is pretty much set up, I'll give you a general tour of Twitch. So following is anybody that you're following, right? So who's online, they'll show you who's online. There'll be some recommended channels here too, latest videos from people you followed, you know, kind of an overview of everybody you're following and people that are related to that. So it gives you plenty of content to watch. Browse is when you can find new channels, new different things. It's set up by categories, or you can do just channels that are live now, and they'll kind of organize it by who's most popular and stuff like that. And it's a great way to, you know, kind of discover new things to watch and new things to kind of follow on Twitch. Esports is a whole tab dedicated to any type of esports, gaming, competitions, anything like that, right? Basically, you know, your Madden and your, you know, all the different kind of like tournaments and stuff they do within Call of Duty and all the different games out there. I'm not even fully familiar with everything, but there's a ton of shit on here. If you're into like the professional gaming world, this is kind of where all this stuff lives. And the music tab is where you can find all things music. Lots of DJs, maybe live producers, all kinds of cool stuff of people just going live and sharing their art. And that's kind of where a lot of my videos live since I am a DJ. Now up here is your Prime Loot section. If you link your Twitch account to your Amazon Prime account, there's lots of little benefits and different little things you can kind of like get, or, you know, offers you can take advantage of, things like that for all kinds of different channels and whatnot. And it'll all be basically located here. And by the way, if you want to link your Amazon Prime account to your Twitch account, I highly recommend it. There's a ton of benefits that come with it. And if you already have an Amazon Prime account, it's like a no-brainer. It's like totally free. I have a link in the description that'll walk you through all the steps and the whole process to do that. And trust me, well worth it when you get all the benefits, including a free subscription to your favorite streamer. Now here you have your notifications, and here is your whispers. And basically that's like your DMs, your messages within Twitch. They call them whispers, which is kind of cool. Here's where you can buy bits and use those bits to tip your favorite streamers and stuff. And that's pretty much it. There's only one other setting I want to tell you guys about, and you have to do it on your phone, and that is the play and background setting. So basically you enable this setting, and whenever you're streaming someone on Twitch, you're watching something on Twitch, you can have it where it plays in the background whether or not you have the Twitch app up. So let's say you're listening to a DJ and you just want the music on in the background. You still want to check your Facebook. You still want to do other stuff on your phone. You don't have to have the Twitch app up the entire time. Well, piece of cake. Enable this setting and Twitch will play in the background for you, easy peasy. So the first step is click on your Twitch app in your phone, click on your face, and go to your profile, right? So now you're on your profile. From your profile, you want to go up here to settings and click on settings in the bottom. Then click on preferences, and then you'll see the option right here, play in background. So click that on and you can literally listen to any live streamer in the background of whatever you're doing. All right, so now your profile's set, your settings are set, you have a good understanding of all that stuff. Let's talk about how Twitch works. So first off, if you hopped on Twitch, chances are you probably know someone who's streaming on Twitch, and that's why you hopped on Twitch, because you kind of want to watch them. So if there's a streamer that you like and you want to support, there's 3 ways you can help them out. Number 1 is a follow. You can follow any Twitch streamer. That is done by hitting the heart button on the top right-hand corner or anywhere on the screen, depending on what you're looking at. Another way to support your favorite streamer is to be their Twitch friend. So it's just like Facebook, right? You ask to be their friend, they accept you, and now you're Twitch friends. But keep in mind, being someone's Twitch friend is usually something that's reserved for if you know them personally. So if you got their phone number, you know this streamer personally, then you become their Twitch friend. And the last and most important thing you can do to support a streamer is to subscribe to them. So Twitch allows so many cool little features while you're watching your favorite live streamer live. Obviously you can chat with the entire community there, but within the chat, there's a couple cool things you can do to help engage that audience and also engage with the live streamer. For example, you can gift subs to people. You can buy a lot of subs and you could say, hey, here's a gift of a sub to a random person in the chat. And now they have a free month of subscribing to that live streamer's channel. You can also tip or cheers with bits. Every bit equals 1 cent. So when you tip 500 bits, it's $5 that goes to the live streamer. A lot of times they'll call you out for doing it. Thank you so much. Shout out to so-and-so live on the stream, which is a fun thing. And you're also help supporting the channel at the same time. A bit is almost like a cheers. It's like buying someone a drink virtually. It's just a fun thing to do. You know what I mean? People do it. I've seen people on their birthdays come in and cheers a bunch of bits to everybody and kind of support everybody just as like a celebration kind of factor. My favorite thing about Twitch is the super cool emotes that they have. So emotes are essentially emojis. Only for Twitch. And just for signing up to Twitch, you get a huge library of emotes, like all these cool little things, like everything from the painter guy going like this to like #1 signs, different symbols, different cool little phrases, like so many things to use in the chats to kind of have fun with and get creative with. But then when you subscribe to your favorite live streamer, you get their personal emotes, and you can use those in any chat ever. So you'll have those emotes as long as you subscribe. So it's super fun. You might have an emote of their face or emote of a little phrase that they always say, and you can use those emotes in any chat to let the people know that you're a fan of that particular live streamer. But that's it, people. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something. If you have any questions or if there's something I missed, leave it in the comments below. I'll get it right back to you. If you want to follow me on Twitch, the link is right here, twitch.tv/Nick Spinelli. And I'll see you guys next video. Later.